There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and we back to slay today. Okay. What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining my channel. I hope all of you all are having like a really great day by the time y'all are watching this video. Being blessed, staying motivated, staying out the way, being positive, and definitely minding your business. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Thank you. I'm back, and I'm here to slay. Y'all already know what I got to say. This is one of my favorite wig companies that is available on Amazon. They also do have AliExpress and their own website. But if you're on a budget, this wig company is definitely budget friendly, and you get some really, really nice wigs, especially wigs that you ain't really got to do much but put them on and go. Okay, so you already know I'm talking about UNICE hair. And when I tell you they are pre-everything, they are definitely pre-everything. No more bleaching, no more cutting of the lace, none of that. This wig is pre-everything and comes pre-everything. Okay, so this is how your wig is going to come from UNICE. You're going to get a melting band, HD wig cap, and you're also going to get the wig. Now, this is a shorter wig, but it is a curly bob. It is in 12 inches. And like I stated, she is a pre-everything unit. So this is what she looks like once you receive her. So this is what the unit is looking like straight out the box. She has already been cut. The lace has already been bleached. And this is a total left part unit. So if you love a good left part and you're not really great with doing parts, this one is already done for you. There is some lace on the sides in the frontal perimeter, so that way it looks a lot more natural. The unit does come with one comb, which is located in the nape. There is an adjustable band. Along with that, there are some silicone rubber grippings to help your unit from non-slippage, and there's also a drawstring. So girl, if you want your wig to sit tight and not go nowhere, baby, get yourself one of these. I love a good wig. I love a good drawstring. Girl, I'm here for it. Now, if you love bobs, this is the bob season. Bob season is every season, okay? But if you love a good bob and you want to try out a curly wavy bob, baby, check out UNICE hair because they really do care. This should definitely be super easy being that the part is already there for you.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was. Lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, baby? It was just a lover.
Yeah, trying to get you out my thoughts today. Still chained to you when I walked away. Still chained, you know it'd be hard to break, cause I kept it way too real to automate. I wanna talk to you for my conscience sake, trying to make my mind and body cooperate. I used to have some shots to give for ones you take, but then I took them all to heal and lost the way. Got me riding around listening to Marvin Gaye, reminisce what was, cause now it ain't. And through my mind I trail for hours till it all devours. I'm amongst the prowlers on your page. See how you spending days without eating me inside, that I'm phasing out, but I plays it, and it drains me. I done made some, but it pains me. You want the real from me, here it is, here it go. I want you dead to me, head gone real slow. But once you here with me, bad, I'll let it go. But I can't have both, I'm done. I hope this love a bum that's gon' blow. No regret, no rewind, no more waste, no more time, no more wait, let's go away. I stay out of mind. No regret, no rewind, no more waste, no more time, no more wait, let's go away. I stay out of mind.
Baby, well, let's be honest, it was just a love ball. I just wanna go back to how it was. I just wanna lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong, so that love is home. Ended up as love. Kiss me with that love bomb. Can't we love becoming so
I did go ahead and change my shirt because I wanted it to match the whole aesthetic of the hair. This is definitely giving me beachy summer vibes. Super easy unit. The hair is actually really, really pretty, and it's definitely ready out the box. Now, as you guys notice, I did do a couple things to my unit just to make her my own. I did remove some of the hair in front of the hairline just so that it looks a little bit more natural. I decided to go with the flip up method in the front so that way the part wasn't visible. I just was trying something different. And I did use my barrel curler to just give it more volume. Now, the one thing I will say about this unit is it's super easy, it's affordable, and it is definitely summer friendly. If you love curly hair, if you love a bob, you definitely want to check out UNICE. This unit came out really, really cute. I'm feeling it. I like it. It's very cooling. So if you don't want a whole bunch of hair, then definitely you want to check out a nice curly bob. Girl, listen, UNICE be coming through with the best of the best of the best for less. What I tell y'all about UNICE, they have the best of the best of the best for less. Check them out on Amazon, AliExpress, and also their website. So ladies, if you are looking for one of the perfect summer bobs, check this one out right here. There's really not much you need to do. Y'all already know what I say. I love me a good wig. Girl, check the description box down below. And if you stay to the very end, make sure you give me a yellow heart. So that way I know that y'all love me just as much as I love you. And on that, I love you all. Slay all day like it's your B-day. And I will see y'all in the next one.